Do you want to invest your money with really good returns? I have a wonderful solution for you. What if I told you you can invest $900 and you can make 100% profit? That's what I did. I bought the Legacy program. With that, the moment I sold my first one, I made $900, 100% commission. And the reason why this is so awesome for me is it's not just the fact that I sold the program, but I helped somebody else. Because I am a business owner, I can tax deduct this, so it is a double whammy for me. On top of it, I invested in myself. I learned so much from this program: how to better my content, how to increase my social footprint, how to build a brand, and how to automate. So, if you are interested in how you can invest and get back on it, and on top of it, grow yourself, let me know. Leave 900 in the comments, and I will gladly send you more information.